Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Tech with Scott. I haven't uploaded a video in forever, I know, but I'm got an email from a company called Crave. I absolutely love this company. I've worked with them in the past as well. So they hit me up via email and they're like, hey, do you want to take a look at some of our new protection series cases? And recently I haven't my current iPhone 15 Pro case isn't the best. So I was like, hey, I know they have really good cases. I've used their cases in the past. Hook me up with some new colors to test out on my current iPhone. So in this video, I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing, quick review of these bad boys, and show you what they're all about. As I mentioned, used Crave in the past. I love them, mostly due to the texture on these cases. They're both super rugged, help with drop protection and stuff like that. They're strong, reliable, protective, high quality, stuff like that. Really good at absorbing shocks if you actually drop your phone. But not only that, the thing I like, well, they also look good, but it's the grip on the back that I really appreciate. My current phone case does not have good grip. Most of the Crave cases have a nice textured grip on the sides and back. So it's easy to hold, it's not gonna slip out of your hand. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing of these bad boys. I got 3 colors in front of me, green, black, and slate gray. And let's hop right into it. Okay, people, we've arrived at the unboxing portion. We're gonna start off with the green color. So Crave Protection Series. It's like a forest green color, similar to the iPhone 13 that I had. This is for the 15 Pro. Here's the advertising on the back of it. Looks super clean. Let's hop into this. I don't believe there's any actual like tape holding this back. I might be wrong. I'm always terrible at unboxing products. This wasn't too bad. Usually what they give you is just the case. I don't really think you need like any paperwork. Yep, that's it. There's nothing in the box. Literally just the case. So these cases are 2-piece. Most of the cases that Crave creates are 2-piece. As you can see, the interior design here, really good for shock absorption. I can't speak. Big cutout for the iPhone 15 Pros, as you can see right there. This is raised as well, so your camera is going to be protected, which is always great. We have cutouts for the volume rocker as well as the mappable button for the 15 Pro. If you're not familiar, the 15 Pro is a button instead of just a mute slider, so that's why it's a additional button cutout right there. Cutouts for the bottom, and this should, as I mentioned, this should be a 2-piece. One is like, I just want to show you. So one piece is like the hard, like plastic, like hard shell portion. As you can see, we have the magnet right there. So it's going to give you additional MagSafe capabilities for magnets. And this is like the soft rubber, like silicone, or sorry, not silicone, like rubber portion. So you get the softness and the flexibility of this, and you get the hardness and the rigidness of the plastic. You put the two together and you get this. So let me quickly transfer over and unbox the other ones. We can do a color comparison. Okay, so here are all 3 cases side by side, all the same exact product here, just different colors, as I mentioned. I gotta say, I don't know if my camera can do it justice, but I really like the slate color here. I always love black and I always love green, but I have to say the slate gray color I think is a perfect match for the current iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium color. So I really like how you have the black accent for, the interior portion as well as the gray outside portion. You can get some black accents on the interior side of the camera cutout as well. I just actually noticed one small difference on the slate edition is the cutout is a little bit different. Let me just triple check. Yeah, this is also for iPhone 15 Pro. So they actually have a cutout on the slate one for the button. That's pretty interesting how it's different for this color, even though they're actually all the same case right here. Just double checking. Yeah, so I guess they made the decision to do a cutout instead of a a button for the mappable button on the iPhone 15 Pro. So yeah, let's actually see what this looks like on my iPhone. I apologize in advance for this webcam quality. Not the best. I'm filming this on my MacBook Air, but I have good lighting at least. But this is 720p, 30 frames per second. So let's pop this off. I'm just popping phone case, my old one off. I'm gonna do a bit of a wipe down on here, get rid of all that dust and grime currently on my phone. Clean the sides. Luckily the natural titanium color on the iPhone 15 Pro is really good at resisting fingerprints. They don't show up very much on here, which I like. It's also matte glass as well on the back, so you're not going to get crazy smudges. But let's pop on the natural or slate gray that they call it for the iPhone 15 Pro. And that's going to snap on very nicely. Love it. Great texture. I can already feel how much grip this has over my other phone. So yeah. And you get nice border protection around the sides and stuff. You get nice camera cutout protection here. Grippiness all over, which I absolutely appreciate with Crave. Here's the other color. Here's the other color, but I think I'm going to be rocking this color in particular because it looks so dang good. And yeah, cut out for the action button as well. I don't even use the action button on the iPhone, but if you wanted to, you have full access to it right there as well. So, yeah. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll leave a link to these down in the description below if you want to go pick up a case by Crave for your iPhone. They have the protection series is always really good. Nice grip in the hand. This thing's sick. Leave a like and subscribe, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.